Alright, now that we have taken a bath, say hi guys. Say hi Max.
Hi Maxie.
Say hi Caleb.
Hi Caleb.
Can you play patty cake, Max? Patty cake, patty cake.
Daddy.
Can you sing it too, Caleb?
Daddy.
Yeah?
I'm gonna say, Daddy, where's thy bird? Say that, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna say, Daddy, where's thy bird? Say that.
I'm not gonna say that.
Say
TV with cartoons on it.
We're looking for things in this picture that start with the letter M. Makes the
Trying to see what the shakiness looks like on this thing. What?
sound.
Let's zoom in. Max. Max. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.